Ever spent hours in code reviews only to miss critical bugs because your team's checklist looked like a grocery list scribbled on a napkin? Manual reviews kill productivity. Fragmented feedback, inconsistent style enforcement, and zero automation waste 20 plus hours a week per engineer. Meet the Code Review Workflow Pack. PR templates with mandatory test coverage fields, automated linting via ESLint/prettier integrations, security scanners flagging OWASP top 10 risks, and feedback guidelines that turn LGTM into actionable insights. We've even included a "please don't merge this dumpster fire" checkbox for your QA leads. Engineering teams using this pack reduce review debt by 70% because nobody has time for caffeine IV drips anymore. Consistency at scale without the chaos. Here's what's inside the Code Review Workflow Pack. PR submission templates force developers to document architecture decisions before review. Automated linting and style checks run Prettier and Rubocop in CI/CD pipelines. Security vulnerability scanners block known CVEs during pre-commit hooks. Review checklists gamify feedback with mandatory checkboxes for edge cases. Feedback pattern libraries auto-suggest responses like "this function violates single responsibility, extract to service class." Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your team's new superpower? Reviews that ship quality code 3 times faster, without death marches or Red Bull IVs. Installing the Code Review Workflow Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add code-review-workflow-pack. That's it. You just downloaded 12 PR templates, 80 plus automated check rules, and feedback guidelines battle tested at Netflix scale orgs. Your next Claude code session autoloads the pack. Imagine an AI assistant that nags developers about missing test cases before they even open a PR. It wires into your Git hooks to block sketchy merges and auto-populates Jira tickets with review blockers. Warning: may cause existential crises for senior engineers who built careers on just winging it. From chaos to precision, in the time it takes to brew bad office coffee.